This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, May 17th. I'm Dylan D. Spillin. In Monday's action, the Commodore's softball team got hammered by Norview, 26-4. Maury gave up 10 runs in the 4th inning. In baseball, the Commodores fell to Indian River 2-0 in a game played at Harbor Park. On Tuesday, the baseball team lost their second conference game in a row, falling to Kempsville 2-1. In tennis, Oliver Siegfried and Harrison Gray advanced to the Atlantic Conference singles title match, with the semi-final wins. In doubles, Gray combined with Ethan Willingham to advance to the semi-finals. Oliver Siegfried and Chapney Smith also advanced to the semis. Alyssa Anderson lost in the semi-final round of singles, but she combined with Zeta McMorris to advance to the doubles semi-finals. Celine Miller and Kate Hickey also advanced with a victory. Finally, in soccer, the boys and girls teams scored big wins over Norview. Ali Jami scored twice for the boys, while Star White and Abby Irvin racked up hat tricks in the girls' game. Now here's Sky Kid with the upcoming events.
Thanks, Dylan. Both the baseball and softball teams play at Indian River here at home. Game time is 5:30 p.m. Tomorrow, the boys and girls track team participate in the Atlantic Conference Championships at Langstown High School. The girls and boys soccer team take on Indian River. The girls play at 5:15 while the boys play at 7 p.m. Both will be playing at Indian River. No matter who wins, Maury will have an Atlantic Conference champion because Oliver Siegfried goes up against Harrison Gray in the Atlantic Conference Championships. Also, Maury has two teams, both the boys and girls doubles semifinal. Back to you, Dylan.
Thanks, Guy. Now here's what's happening at MHS. up to date for Wednesday, May 17th. I'm Dylan D. Spillin. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.